Hello YouTube! Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to craft such a drill or signal whistle in 5 minutes. This wooden whistle is a project out of my new English book Whittling in the Wild. The German version called Schnitz it yourself. Over the next few weeks I will show you some projects out of this book in a separate video. In the past I already uploaded 3 projects out of this book. This was a double stick bow, a crossbow and the reed boat. But the reed boat was not in the toy version. I built a full-size reed boat where I was able to paddling over the lake. The link to these videos you find in the description box below or at the end of this video. Maybe you know the technique how to fold such a whistle from 2 aluminium cam stripes. My idea was to create a wooden version of this. This little project is pretty easy and quick done with a Swiss Army knife. All you need is a 2 centimeter long piece of a hazel branch with a diameter about 3 or 4 centimeters. Take the reamer and make a hole along the pith. So, if the hole is done, take the wood saw and turn the wood saw into the hole. After, I clean the surface of the hole a bit with the edge from the reamer. Now split off a part from the inner circle so that you get a gap about 5 millimeters. Now pinch these 2 parts together and split the small part exactly on this point, like this. Now you have to pinch together the small and the big part with thumb and index finger. Important is that both ends of the hole has to be covered. Then pinch the small part in that way that you get a little gap like this, and this is the air channel. Now you can blow in as hard as you can. If you are not able to create such a loud whistle sound, you have to play with the distance and with the angle of the small part. And you will see, you find the position of the small part where you are able to create a loud whistle sound. This is a signal whistle. If you want to create a trill whistle, you need such a little ball. The best way for create such a ball you can read in my book. Insert the ball in the hole, close the holes, pinch the small part, and search the right position. And now you have a trill whistle. So my friends, that's it for today. I hope you had fun with this little project. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you next Friday. Ciao!